It's actually not that heavy. So I just had these Super You protein wafers and baked chips delivered today. So let's open it, do a taste test, and we're going to talk about its macronutrients, its protein to calorie ratio, and how good these actually are. And I'm going to give you my honest opinion as a dietitian. This video is not sponsored by Super You. I bought these with my own money. So let's get started. Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Shambhavi. I'm a dietitian, a certified personal trainer, and a fitness coach. And I love finding snacks that are low calorie, high protein and super macro friendly. So today we're going to review the Super You protein wafers and the chips. We're going to start off with their protein wafers first. There are 4 different flavors: strawberry, cheese, peanut butter and chocolate. So each of these bars have 180 calories for 10 grams of protein, which I think is not bad, especially for a chocolate substitute. I think the reason they created these were as a replacement of chocolate bars, especially like wafer chocolate bars like Kit Kat and stuff. As a chocolatey dessert, this is insane. Like 10 grams of protein for 200 calories is super good. Even right now when I'm in a calorie deficit, this is really helping me out stay on track and satisfy all my sweet cravings. Now this is definitely not a lean source of protein, so you should not be relying on these as a primary source of protein. Okay, get your protein from food, but this is a great dessert option that also gives you a little bit extra protein. Let's do a taste test. I'm going to try all 4 of them and give you a list of 1 to 4, like taste wise, which is the best and what I recommend. We're going to start off with chocolate. So the texture and flavor is very similar to that of Perk or Munch, but it is not exactly as sweet as a chocolate bar, but it is still sweet. So if you are a fan of chocolate that is not sweet, this is definitely for you. I love my chocolates very sweet, so I would give this a solid 7 on 10. But because it has 10 grams of protein, I'm going to bump it up a point and give it 8 on 10. Let's try peanut butter next. Now I'm already not a big fan of peanut butter. I mean, it's okay, but it's not something that I would go for in my dessert. This was not actually that bad, but again, I'm not a big fan of peanut butter, so I'm gonna give it like a 6 on 10. It's still great. If you like peanut butter, you will love it. Not for me though. Next we have cheese. Now cheese is something that you don't really find in chocolate bars, but let's see. So this one is a savory bar. It's not supposed to be sweet completely. This is like a mix of white chocolate with a cheese flavoring. It's actually quite nice. I'm gonna give it an 8 on 10. Now comes strawberry. I already know I love this because I have been eating the strawberry one for many months now. And even today, I have ordered like 2 big boxes of these. It's just so great. This is the best. So here's my rankings. At the 4th place, we've got the chocolate peanut butter. On the 3rd place, we've got the chocolate one. 2nd place, we've got the cheese. And 1st place obviously goes to strawberry. It is so sweet and it has white chocolate layered outside and it has little strawberry filling inside. It's perfect. I would highly recommend that you get that. Now it is time for something that I have waited. These are the Super You chips. They have 10 grams of protein for 165 calories, which is even lesser than the protein wafer bars. And honestly, I have waited weeks for these because I saw an ad on Instagram and I was like, I have to get it. Got it ordered. It's finally here today. I am super excited to try these. There is no other brand that sells chips with 10 grams of protein in each packet, and that too with like just 165 calories. So there are 4 flavors. One is super masala, which is blue. So I'm assuming it's supposed to be like a blue Lay's flavor. Okay, there's cheese and tomato, sour cream and onion, and a pudina flavor as well. Like the protein wafers, these actually differ slightly in the calorie ratios, but each of these flavors have 10 grams of protein. So the calories range between 165 and 170. I'm literally gonna try this for the first time ever. Don't ask me why I eat chips with chopsticks, okay? Just go along with it. The first thing we are trying is the pudina flavor. I love this. You just cannot tell that this is not fried. I don't know, it just tastes so good. I forgot to mention, so each pack also has 3 grams of fiber, which is quite insane. It's pretty good actually. given for like a processed snack, having 3 grams of fiber. As a dietitian, it is insane. I love this. Obviously, I mean, yeah, it's tangy and it tastes like pudina. Quite salty as well. I don't mean it in a bad way. It's nice and salty and it's good. You should try it out. Next, we're trying out the super masala flavor. These guys have really nailed the flavors. It tastes very different, but it's still masala. It is super masala. I don't think I can describe it very well. It's like Indian food in a packet. This is also really good. It's gonna be very difficult to rank it now. Let's try the cheese and tomato next. You know what this tastes like? Spanish tomato. Lay's flavor. Exactly same. But with obviously 10 grams of protein and 3 grams of fiber. With just 165 calories. I love it. This is insane. Lastly, we got the sour cream and onion. Green Lay's. Very, very similar taste actually. Just the texture of the chips is different. Okay, but these chips you can actually taste the multigrain in it. It's not as light as potato chips that we usually eat. I think this is going to be a lot more filling than our usual any normal chips. Would highly, highly recommend all of these. Let's rank them, okay? 4th place goes to sour cream and onion because I'm honestly not a big fan of onion in my chips. Second last place would go to tomato and cheese because I just like the other two a lot more than tomato and cheese. At the second place, we've got super masala because, oh, again, it was lovely. It was so great. Really, really liked it. And on the first place, we have pudina. Pudina tastes like home. It's like tangy, it's salty, it's spicy. I love it. Final review. For all of these, I am so happy to see that an Indian brand is making all of this. It's a very good replacement for chocolates and chips, honestly, because given the macros and given the amount of fiber, protein, and with such less calories, it is really good. And the taste also keeps up with it. So I would highly, highly recommend this. Again, this video is not at all sponsored. I got this with my own money, but I got it from the website that I'm gonna just add it in the description below. And let me know what you want me to review next. And if you have any low calorie, high protein snack suggestions, please comment down below and I would love to do a review for that as well. This is it. Thank you so much for watching and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay, bye.